My lord, first of all, number 6, the non-obstante clause is only in clause number 6. Whereas in clause 3, it says no benches. So there's an ouster clause, and the ouster is of the regular bench of the Supreme Court. And that's what your lordships have decided in the Diwan case, and I'll come and cite those passages. So here we are talking about benches, no bench other than the constitutional bench.
इसके जो last line है वो भी पढ़ लो।
जी हाँ।
5 का जो
5 की
stand transfer to the constitutional bench.
जी, transfer to the constitutional bench shall only be heard by benches constituted under clause 1, sir. Clause 4 कि जो आपके अगर रेगुलर केस में जहां 184 या 185(3) के अंदर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनैलिटी का कोई इशू आ गया था या लॉ की कुछ those cases pending before a regular bench of the Supreme Court will be transferred to the constitutional bench, and this is what happened in the Diwan Motors case. ठीक है सर।
Suppose अगर full court के पास कोई केस पेंडिंग होता तो
So मैं humble submission है, full court पे bench नहीं है, यही मेरा आपके सामने humble submission will be, क्योंकि the word again मैं say no bench of the Supreme Court. Now Supreme Court is defined in Article 176. With your stance, I know my lord is well aware of it.
यही तो मैं आपसे कह रहा हूँ कि ये there is an ouster clause, there may be no non-obstant.
Non-obstant ouster is.
There is a ouster clause.
जी sir.
There is a clear
Benches,
restriction and the demarcation of jurisdiction now.
बिल्कुल
Because of
sir.
this.
Between the regular bench
Yes.
and the constitutional bench.